Hey, how's it going? Spy here. Welcome to RoadCraft. A massive storm is going to be rolling through, and it's our job to protect that little town down there from flooding. Now, I don't know how to do that exactly, but don't worry, SpyCakes construction company here will figure it out. All right, let's head down there and see what we got to do. By the way, check out this truck here. It's pretty sweet, but we don't have time to admire the interior here. We got to go quick. Truck, go faster. I know you can go faster. Okay, just down around this bend here, and the objective just updated. It says explore South Union phosphate plant. That could be bad if that floods, but let's go down here and see what's going on. Actually, it looks like there's some sort of river down here, or wait, hold on. I think that's actually a bunch of flooding already. That's not good. Okay, we're gonna have to drive through that. I think that was once the road, but don't worry, we have a sweet off-road 4x4 here. Okay, let's turn on four-wheel drive. There we go, and let's lock our differential. That's kind of hard to say. Come on, truck. Come on. Oh, I got experience from Snow Runner and Mud Runner. I could do this. Come on. Oh, yeah. Look at this. Okay, it's probably a bad idea to drive straight in the water, even though that was the road. Oh, no. Are we stuck in mud? Come on. No, I can't be stuck now. We got to save this little town here, or this phosphate plant. Come on. Okay, I do have a winch, so I'm gonna winch to that tree over there. I can't believe I'm already stuck. And pull ourselves out. Look at this. There we go. Okay, let's detach and figure out how to get inside this plant here. Where's the entrance? Here we go. Okay, it looks like the road goes up left here, and we have some sort of gate. Hello, let me in, please. Oh, wait. It has some yellow handles there. I think we can connect our winch to it and pull it straight open like that. Look at that. There we go. I almost flipped myself by pulling that door open. Come on, truck. Just go up. Okay, 4x4. Okay, we gotta hurry. Before you know it, the storm's gonna hit and we can't fail. All right. Well, here we are. Boom. Oh, look at that. We have a sweet front loader. The Cronework L34. So let's switch to this bad boy here. So check this out. Whoa. So we have to go over to this gate here and clear the way. So how do we do this? We gotta figure out how to lower the blade. Let's go to manual mode and check this out. Lower. Whoa. Okay, that is sweet. Let's angle the blade, maybe up a bit. Oh yeah, here we go. And let's get a running start. Back up. And 3, 2, 1. I wonder if we could clear this in one go. Drive! Come on, it's a little slow. It's fine. We could totally do it. This thing is strong. And, oh, we just destroyed the gate. I don't know if we have enough pushing power. Come on, you can do it, little front loader, little bulldozer, whatever you are. Okay, hold on. We need to back up a bit. We're going to angle the blade right a bit. There we go. And just push this stuff to the side, and that should be good enough. There we go. Take that, old rusty car jerk. All right, let's angle the blade to the left. We have this old pipe flange here. There we go. That should be good. And then there's just a couple boxes and a barrel right here. I think we have to clear this because eventually we're gonna have to get some resources here. Make like a little resource transportation route. There we go. Look at that. Objective complete. Clear the way into the plant. All right, let's park this bad boy here and hop back in our truck. Okay, the next objective is visit our forward base all the way over there. Easy enough with this off-road truck here. Let's jump back in. Okay, let's get up there and see what we gotta do. Come on, truck. Oh, yeah. This thing is pretty sweet. If you would like to see more of this game, though, don't forget to smack that like button, because I think in the future, we get to build bridges and roads. That could be really sweet. I mean, this road isn't too bad. There's a little bit of dirt, a little bit of mud, but nothing we can't handle. And right up here should be our forward operating base. I really hope we get to drive some more heavy machinery and stuff like that. Well, here we are. Boom.
The good news is you're in charge now.
Oh, great.
Bad news is the storage and allocation of resources are all on you.
Wait,
So,
what?
Use them wisely. Storm's rolling in, and we need to build a flood wall before it does.
Sweet, we get to build a flood wall? All right, so she said we had to make a route. How do we do this? Build a route to deliver the crane parts. Okay, check this out. Start plotting. and then we just go like this all the way down to the plant, and they'll deliver some crane parts for us. Ooh, do we get to drive that crane? I mean, I'm not the greatest at operating cranes, but I could probably get the job done. All right, and just down over here, it's a good thing we did clear this gate of all that rubble, and then boom, dispatch vehicles. All right, look at that. And there's the crane parts. I should get this truck out of the way. Whoa, that is sweet. These guys should have no issue at delivering this stuff. The road isn't too bad. The storm isn't here yet, so nothing is really flooded other than, you know, that flooded road that we saw. Don't question that road. That road's not important. And check it out. Here's the parts being delivered. Nice. Ooh, we get $1,600 for that as well. Now, our next objective is to find and recover the generator from the abandoned facility. Wait, what? Oh my gosh, over here? All right, well, we should probably take our truck there. Oh no, and it's starting to rain. Oh, perfect timing. Time for me to go to an abandoned facility with an off-road truck where it's totally not gonna flood on me. Oh no, look at this. I think it already is starting to flood. This is not good. We gotta hurry. Hopefully this isn't the main storm, but if it is, hey, I think we're nearly ready to build the wall, I think. I'm not sure. Why is it just me doing this stuff? Okay, I think we just gotta go down this road here, and yep, we now have to search for the generator within this circle here. Where the heck would it be? All right, I'm gonna lock my differential and we're gonna go in and search for it. All right, look around. We got a bunch of water already. Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh, there is so much water. Please don't tell me that's actually rising. Oh no. Okay, where could the generator be? Look at this water. It is getting so deep. Okay. We're gonna backtrack a little bit. Oh, look over here. We have some sort of giant, what is that, wall? Do we just drive up there and run into it? We might have to. All right, thankfully we got this sweet truck. All right, drive up truck, here we go. Do I just run into this? Boom, oh, it's like a little bridge. And then we just totally drive up this with our truck. Wow. All right, and then we have another one here. Knock this down, sweet. But how do we get across that other side? Oh, there's another one right here. We're doing some sweet, like, parkour moves. Oh, no, with our truck. Parkour, truck. Okay, let's winch to the back there and pull ourselves up. I almost fell. That would have not been good. All right, there we go. Detach the winch, and now I think we can go down here. Hopefully this is where the generator is. I mean, I don't think it wouldn't be here from all this setup and stuff. All right, drive across. That sounds like it's gonna collapse. Generator? Where's the generator? Maybe it's over here? Oh, there it is. Look at that. Now how do I load that into my truck? Wait, am I supposed to just winch to it? I don't think that's good for the generator, but hey, I guess we'll do that. All right, let's go this way. Maybe I should probably pull it a little closer to myself. All right, here we go. There we go. That should do totally. Come on, it's stuck. Okay, let's just, there we go. That should do. Oh no, I'm panicking because it's already starting to storm really bad. Oh no, that poor generator. All right, so let's just knock this bridge down. There we go. And then we just have to deliver this generator. Oh my gosh, you hear that noise? It's terrible. Oh, whoa. It almost landed in my truck bed. Okay, we got this. Let's just deliver it over here. And check it out. Boom. Objective complete. We're earning so much money. All right, let's go in here. We should probably get that generator to the plant before, you know, we pick up the concrete slabs with a crane, because that could probably take a while. So let's plot us a route here. So where do we go? Maybe we just go up and follow this road here. But it looks like there's a little bit of rubble, so I'm gonna make them do a little bit of off-roading around this tree and then back down and all the way to the plant. And then we should have a generator for backup power. Maybe it powers the crane. Ooh. And then drop the generator off right there. Let's dispatch the vehicles and hopefully they make it easily. And look at that massive generator. I mean, I think this truck here can pretty much handle any terrain. It is sweet. It is huge. Hopefully they go around that tree over here. Oh yeah, look at this. Off-roading. Oh yeah, they got this. Easy peasy. Oh, he ran into a tree. Don't get stuck on the little tree. It's just a palm tree. Drive over it. There you go. Whoa, that was close. I almost failed. Oh no, what is with these drivers? Okay, just back up, dude. Just back up. It's fine. What is he doing? Oh, there he goes. Oh no. Okay, check it out. The generator is being delivered. I don't know what's going on there, but it's fine. They're just backing up. And boom. Check that out. And now our next objective is to move concrete slabs to the loading area. So we get to use this sweet mobile crane. Ooh, I'd be totally excited for this. I'm not great at crane driving. So see, we got these concrete slabs here. I think we just put them right here in this little square. So I'm gonna position myself in a good spot, like right about here. There we go. And then we just lower our anchors so it's nice and stable. Ooh. And then we go to the crane control and we can lift our boom and we can, how do I do this? Push it out at the same time. Whoa, this is actually really complicated. All right, I'm just gonna get myself positioned over the slab. Lower the boom. Oh yeah, this is easy peasy. And you can see here, we got a sweet camera angle. So now we just attach the load and move this bad boy up. Oh yeah, look at that. That is sweet. And the storm is rolling in. Oh no, we gotta really hurry. We gotta really hurry. Okay, check this out and drop it. Boom, all right on top of my cab. That's probably not ideal, it's fine. All right, load this bad boy up. Oh man, cranes are pretty cool, but they're probably easier to operate in real life. Considering you don't have like a million keys on your keyboard, but there we go. And you're probably not supposed to drop it like that, but hey, I'm in a hurry. These concrete slabs, we need them ASAP to make our flood wall. Okay, let's drag this bad boy over. Drag this bad boy over. The rain is getting so heavy. Oh no, I really hope it doesn't start flooding. Can you fail in this game? Okay, there we go. Boom, I counted. We just need 3 more. Okay, there's one way over there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna drag it. Just drag it this way. That is easy. Look at that. Boom. The last few slabs are over here. I wonder if we could just drag a big pile of these. We might be able to if we position ourselves in the right spot. We're not gonna use our anchors. We're just going to grab the one on the bottom, just like this. There we go, and we're gonna pull them all. Whoa, look at that. That's called efficiency. Oh, it's really heavy. Oh, it is really heavy. Please don't fall. We can get 3 in 1, even though we only need 2 more. Come on, crane truck, you got this. Oh no, they all fell. It's okay, they're right here. If this was real life, I would have been fired already. Okay, here we go. But I'm my own boss. Boom. Did that count? It didn't count. Go a little more forward. There we go. Nice. All right, and now we just click transfer resources. Oh, look at that. So now we gotta load those concrete beams on this sweet cargo truck. How do I do that? Do I just back up into this location here and we can just load our resources? All right, let's see. Resource storage. Let's grab some concrete slabs and some steel beams. How many do I need? Oh no, I think we have to use the crane to load all this stuff. There might be an easier way. Oh no. All right, let's attach. Okay, and then put it in our truck. Why is this so complicated? Okay, up and then over, and then we can put it down. Check that out. That was efficient. And now we just have to do that 4 more times. Check out this efficiency. Okay, move it over, and then we're going to rotate it a little bit. There we go, drop it. Boom. All right, we just need 2 more of those. That looks like it's really heavy. Okay, drop the cargo. Look at that. That looks good enough to me. So let's hop in our truck. Let's strap this down. Oh, yeah, that looks good to me. Oh, totally. Now we got to go deliver this stuff. Hopefully this bad boy here doesn't flip. It looks fine. We just got to be very careful because this thing would probably flip easily. Okay. We got this. Go down slowly. And we just have to go up over here. This wasn't actually that bad. It looks a little sketchy, but boom. And look at that. We got a sweet crane being built. That's actually sweet. Woo, look at that thing. It's massive. Oh, there's 2 cranes. Those things are massive. All right, sweet. All right, so let's enter this crane here. This one looks way more complicated. That other one was just training us how to operate. Oh, but this one might be easier. So we got forward, back. How do I lower and raise it? Oh, here we go. Look at that. We're lowering it. Oh. And now we're in this view here and we can attach to the wall. And then we just raise this bad boy back up. Come on. Ooh, look at this. Oh, this is sweet. All right, and then we just move this bad boy. Where do we move this? Down over here. Wow, okay. Let's just move it back a little bit. And then right below us. I'm trying to be careful because I don't want to break this. Okay, now what do I do? It looks like it's in the proper position, so I'm just going to drop it. Boom, there we go. And now we just have a few more. Let's turn this bad boy back around. This is actually a lot easier than the other crane we're using. It's probably because this one is more stable. Oh, wait, can we drive on the rail? Oh my gosh, look at this. Lower the hook to grab this second wall. As low as we can. There we go. Raise this bad boy up. There we go. Look at that. And then just turn it. Just turn it this way. And then we just lower it here somewhere, right? Lower it here somewhere. Come on. There we go. Boom. All right. We're doing pretty good so far. Okay, here we go. Grab this one, raise it. This one's behind us. What I'm going to do is I am going to move the crane back this way. There we go. Okay. Doing pretty good. Man, I should have been a crane operator. All right, here we go. And come on, boom, there we go. And now we have to move over to that other crane. Oh yeah, we're building a flood wall. That's my flood wall song. All right, attach and let's go up. Look how flawless I'm getting at this. Oh yeah, all right, this one should be below us. Just swing this wall all the way around. This is sweet. All right, and we just gotta lower it, and it should be good. Right about, come on, right about there. All right, now let's grab the other wall. We just got one left. Swing this bad boy around, attach, and just drag it. Let's just drag it. Like, look at that. I mean, these are flood walls. They're strong. And 3, 2, 1, boom. There we go. Objective complete. 10,000 bucks for that? Now, there is one side objective. Connect the warehouse to the forward base, and the warehouse is down over here. Since we got 53,000 bucks, I'm gonna go to the garage, and we're gonna buy a vehicle because we could do that. So over here in the scouts, we already own this big truck over here, but we do not have this sweet Humvee-looking truck. 35,000? Oh, wow, look at this thing. It's sweet. Let's deploy this bad boy here and check this thing out. Whoa, this is sweet. It sounds awesome too. All right, let's go to that garage and let's plan our final route. Holy, I don't even have 4-wheel on and this thing is sweet. Look at it go. Holy. Let's test it in some mud. Boom, no problem. And right up here is the warehouse where we have to plan our final route. I think this does help us in future missions, so if you'd like to see more, don't forget to smack that like button. All right, let's see. Let's start plotting this bad boy here all the way down to our forward base. Oh, this should be easy. And then we just put it right here and dispatch our vehicles. Bang! And there they go with more supplies. And there we go. All the objectives are complete. We got some more resources. But anyways, thanks for watching, subscribing, and remember, stay sweet. Bye. This Humvee is sweet. Look at this thing. Whoa.